My name is Ezekiel A. Rabago. I'm 19 years old. Nung high school po, nagmamarijuana po ako. And then I thought marijuana is just having fun. But I was wrong. Because after the 2 years, I had a side effect of it. I have a severe depression, severe memory loss, a very slow brain process. And napakahirap po ko pong i-picture out yung things na nangyari. Minsan hindi ko na po naaalala. When I try to remember things, nagkaka-headache po ako, sumasakit po yung ulo ko sa likod. And there was a time na when someone is talking to me, ang bagal ko pong mag-respond. So I was taking marijuana by foil, by cigarette paper, and by pipe. I think the foil really damaged my nerves in my brain. Because sabi po nila yung foil po nakaka-Alzheimer's po eh. There was a time, natulog ako, nagmarijuana ako isang joint. Eh, nagka-nightmare po ako. Sa panaginip ko, nananaginip pa ako ng panaginip ko. So, talagang that time, parang 50-50 yung nangyari sa akin. Tapos, pagising ko, nasa panaginip pa ako. Tapos, pagising ko, nasa panaginip pa rin. Parang yung body ko nahihirapan ng gumising ulit kasi parang exhausted na yung body ko. Pero by God's grace, nakagising talaga ako. Pero nung pagising ko, talagang doon ako parang nagiging praning na ako agad. Na sabi ko sa sarili ko na hindi na ako magte-take ulit ng marijuana before sleeping. So, yung ni-research ko po yung bad effect ng marijuana and it outweighs the good effect of marijuana. At hindi po totoo yung sinasabi nilang good effect ng marijuana kasi mas matindi pa po yung bad effect ng marijuana eh. And napaka-severe po and a lot of people are so blind about the bad effect of marijuana kasi tinitignan nila yung ibang side. Pero hindi nila nakikita at the end of the day, talagang they will really reap talaga yung consequences because marami po akong kaibigan na parang iba yung nasa rehab, iba wala na, mental block, hindi nakilala kung sino sarili. Parang buang na bala. Sabi nga po nila is all in the mind eh. When I've experienced the effect of marijuana sa life ko po, hindi na po ako naniniwala na it's all in the mind lang po yung effects ng mga ganyang klaseng mga drugs. Kasi doon ko po nakita na mayroon po talagang nangyayari sa brain natin na chemical imbalance at there's something na sinisira na marijuana sa nerves natin, sa nerve ng brain. So, there was a point in my life na I was telling my parents about yung nararamdaman ko about the depression and they think I'm joking. They think na it's all in the mind. There came a point na I wanted to commit suicide po because grabe na po yung depression eh. Super severe na po and there are times na hindi ko na naiintindihan bakit parang ako lang nakakaramdam ng ganito. Maraming confusion in my mind, maraming questions. And I believe na especially the young people po na suffering na tulad po ng sinuffer ko po and I want to tell you na hindi po talaga mabuti yung mga ganong bagay-bagay at hindi po nakakatawa yun at nakakasira po yun ng pamilya at nasira din po yung future nyo. Stopped taking marijuana after 2 years. There was a campus invasion of the church in our school. Praise God. God really break the bandage in my life of addiction. So my mother introduced Lamine to me. Nung ininom ko pa yung 1 capsule, biglang yung depression ko po, from level 10 na depression, biglang nag-normalize. Biglang nawala yung depression ko. Biglang yung memory ko, parang nag-sharp biglang pak. Like I was brought back to life. Parang I felt human again.